Sid and Marty Krofft Pictures logo bloopers. Number 2. Cut. Sid and Marty Krofft Pictures. You're not supposed to be remade version by using CPVGCAO video network. And you're not supposed to have different music. You're supposed to have it normal, okay? Sorry about that. Take 2. Cut. Like I said, only we should be here. And it's not supposed to be how you mean Krofft Television Productions. Wait a second. Didn't we say Sid and Marty Krofft Pictures logo bloopers? Number 2, episode 2. Oops. Sorry. Let's take 2. I mean, take 3, sorry. Cut. It's not supposed to say McDonald's. Like I said, McDonald's logo should be here. And it's not supposed to say McDonald's Krofft Television Productions. Didn't this pop up last episode? Pretty good. Not good. Take 4. This has been a holiday in Krofft Television Productions. Hey, wait a minute. This again? Hey, mister, what did I tell you about this holiday in Krofft logo in here last episode? You said it's Sid and Marty Krofft Pictures? Yes. Not Sid and Marty Television Productions. It started in 1969. Let's try it again and get the darn logo right this time. From the top, take 6. Cut. It's not supposed to go slow in the speed of ×2. It's supposed to go normal speed, okay? Sid and Marty Krofft Pictures. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. T again. Oh my gosh, too fast. Let's try again. Take it again. Cut. Spiffy Pictures, why are you here? Well, I'm trying to look for Curious Buddies and Jack in the Music Box. Well, Curious Buddies and Jack in the Music Box is not here, so get out of the studio. Take it again. This will be my thumbnail or something. I don't know. Cut. Why is Klasky Chupo doing on the Sid and Marty Krofft Pictures logo? Weren't you in the studio last episode? I was, and I'm not taking over the studio this time. I'm trying to look for Rugrats. Sorry, but that show got canceled in 2004. Darn it. I was gonna see my logo, but at least I'm in here. I'm in the show. The actual show. Why don't you go watch it on Hulu or something? It's on Hulu right now. Okay. Take it again. From the top again. Okay, cut. Why is Fred Beely and Fold Inc., Frederator, Klasky Chupo, Nickelodeon Productions? Wasn't Klasky Chupo here in the studio already? Yes, we're trying to look for NBC Kids. I'm really sorry I have to say this, but NBC Kids just shut down in 2016. What a bummer. I said you can leave the studio. You just left when I was about to... So, Sid and Marty Krofft Pictures. How about... Let's take it again. You took the words right out of my mouth. Let's take it again. My God, major cut. Why is Omation doing here? Ooh, sorry about that. I didn't mean to be here. I was just trying to find Nickelodeon here. Well, Nickelodeon isn't here, so get out of here. By the way, happy December 1st. It's December 2nd, but happy December though. It's just pretty good, like lately. Let's take it again from the top again. Take it again. Cut. Like I said, not echoing with. You're not supposed to have different music to the logo. You have normal music, but it's not supposed to be echo though. It's not supposed to be echo. And why is this by SLN Media Group? I already knew he made this. Can we just get on to this logo? Pretty please. Cut. Said Marty Kroftt Pictures. Why are you reversed again? And why are you confusion again? And why are you in different effects? You're not supposed to be in different effects. You're supposed to have it normal. Oops. Sorry about that. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Let's try it again from the top again. Take again. Extreme mega cut. You're not supposed to have different music like the one. It's not supposed to go. It's supposed to go. Oops, sorry. I think I wanted to make it by SLN Media Group. Again? This is by SLN Media Group? What? Anyways, I'm going cringe right now, but let's try this bad boy again. Take it again. Mega cut, extreme major cut. Like I said, not in the 1998 effect. And why, said Marty Kroftt Pictures, why are you remade again? And why is there remake music again? And why did you just use the 1998 logo? You're not even supposed to use the 1998 logo. You're supposed to have it from 2015, 1966. You don't really need to do a 1966 effect. Before I leave the studio, Omation, you're back here again. Yes, and I have to tell you something. Before I leave the studio, there is this weird thing I want to tell you guys that I watched and stuff, and the show was created by Sid Marty Krofft, and I saw the logo. I saw my Nickelodeon logo at the end of it. Bye. See you later, Omation. Take it again from the top again. Take it again. Cut. Like I said, not the 1998 music. And you still got it, but this logo evolution was by me, but it was copyrighted by Richard Fax's Nostalgic World. And you're not supposed to have different music to the logo. Sorry. Cut. It's not Krofft Entertainment, it's Sid and Marty Kroftt Pictures. Oops, I'm sorry about that. Okay, cut. Where's the music? Why is it just showing a picture? And I bet I saw different logos. Let me check the camera. Later, after I checked the camera, yep, I saw more logos. And it's not supposed to have a picture. It's supposed to have the music going. That's supposed to have the one from 2009, from 2015. Oops. Sorry about that. That's good. Let's try this bad boy, and once and for all, let's take it again from the top. Take it again. Excuse me. Cut. You're not supposed to have different beeping noises like last episode. Oh, sorry. Take again. Cut. You're not supposed to be upside down. You're supposed to be down, upside, whatever it's called. You mean I'm supposed to be right side up? Yeah, I know. But let's just take it again. Take it again. Cut, cut, cut. For the love of God, stop using different music! And why did you just use a different pitch? And you're not supposed to be making it by using video voice changer. Oops, sorry. Take again. Cuts. You're not supposed to use the PBS logo. You know, the one from 1971. Oops, sorry about that. Alright. Now for the last one, but this is your warning. Screw up again, then you're fired. Do you understand? Understand. Alright, said Marty Krofft Pictures. I hope you don't screw it up. And I hope you get the music right. Hopefully not the one from 1998. Hopefully not the one from 1966. The one from 2015. Take it again. Holy crap. We did it. We done the logo. Yes, you're hired. You did. What? I can't say cut. Sid and Marty Krofft Pictures, you did it. Okay. Cut, cut, cut. That's it. Sid and Marty Krofft Pictures, you're fired. Get out of the studio right now. You turned to that dude again. Oh, forget it. Time to put both of you out. Right now. Destroy Sid and Marty Krofft. Woo! We're gone. See you later.